Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to create a group in Telegram. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Telegram app. And go ahead and click on this three slider from the top corner. Go ahead and click on new group. And go ahead and select as many as possible contacts right here. Having selected the contacts, go ahead and click on this arrow right here to proceed. Then enter the name of the group. I've entered the name of the group. Go ahead and click on this check mark right here. And a group has been successfully created. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to use your Telegram app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.